Hi and welcome. This afternoon we're making some brownies. This brownie that we're going to make now is Slimming World baked and sweet potato brownie. Got 4 syns, okay? So let's go and do it. Processor, all goes through the food processor. So I've got here sweet potatoes. I'll put the recipe up. These are cooked, I've baked these in the oven. And then I've peeled them and weighed them out. Then we've got some oats, egg, medjool dates, low fat spread, a stevia sweetener and cocoa powder. And then we've got some vanilla to pop in. So first of all, we're going to make our oats into the oat flour. So in it goes. Turn that on. Then in go our sweet potatoes and our dates. This will give our sweetness and our gooiness to brownie. Scrape that down. Then add the rest of the ingredients. That's the butter, the sweetener, the cocoa powder, and a good teaspoon of vanilla. The vanilla is a bit like salt and pepper with the savoury stuff. And this is an organic vanilla bean paste that I'm using. And then that just comes out. There we go. Pop it into a tin. I'm using a loaf tin today. Obviously watch the blades for cooking with kids. Scrape all of that out. These spatulas are wonderful. And then, there we are. So just push that in. Then that gets baked in the oven, 180 for 30 minutes. Okay? Hi, so we're going to test our Slimming World date. Now, this original recipe was date and raspberry. Okay, so if you're looking for it on the Slimming World site, this was the date and raspberry. I just omitted the raspberries out. So this one, like I said, I reckon it's a little bit stodgy, but it's got quite a nice flavour. That is the portion size. So remember, if you are using this for losing weight, etc., portion size is key. Everything is bad for you if you eat too much of it. So look at your portion sizes first before you start maybe going to low fat spreads, maybe going to sweeteners, etc. Everybody's different. Depends how you tick, really. So that is really nice. That is like a mid-range on sweetness, I would say. As I've shown on the video, very easy to make. Bung it in the oven, job done.